Coming from South Africa, I love light. I think it's a necessity. We moved to England almost 40 years ago. Bought this house and love it. It was time to replace my existing roof light as we had a leak. I knew it had to be replaced. The longer I was waiting, the bigger the problem was going to become. And I wanted to be more modern. I phoned the architect and I said to him, what must I do? And he said to me, well, I'll bring somebody over from VELUX. I had such a good experience. Everything was done so professionally. Vario by VELUX worked with us and what we had. And they had to make a few adjustments, but that was done unobtrusively, and the end product is beautiful. The design of the extension is better. With the previous roof light, the lantern that stood up, it always bothered my eye, and now this flat roof it's unobtrusive. When I look out of my windows upstairs, I don't see anything, I just see the garden. It's just opened up another dimension. Another thing is the rain. The sound is different. It's softer, and I like the pool of water you can see lying on it, the different little patterns. It's a wonderful sound and view, so I really can recommend it. The first thing I noticed when this large piece of glass went in is the bigger expanse of light. Even on a cloudy day, it makes the room much brighter. And you don't have to put on lights, it's always there. You come down in the morning and all this light is filled in this room. It is absolutely beautiful. And sort of around lunchtime, the light shines on my chair. It's an excellent place to have a little snooze in the sun. I really don't think you can do an extension without a roof light. I really don't. Well, I think you would be foolish to. Otherwise, it's just going to be dank and dark the whole time. I don't think it's good for your well-being. I want to walk in and say, oh, I like being here. If I hadn't included a roof light, I don't think that room would have had the wow factor that it does now. I really think it makes your life much better.